Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the Aukey Key Series B60 Bluetooth wireless headphones. You can also find the B80 unboxing from Aukey on the channel as well. So here's the headphones. It has a controller right here on the cord, and it also has a microphone, and the headpieces fit into your ears. As you can see from the picture over here, they fit into the ears, so if you're exercising and are running or whatever, they will stick into your ears better. So that's the headphones. And then underneath, you get the nice squishy case that goes along with it. Cord is pretty thin. They're not fully wireless, but they are Bluetooth to your phone, so they just wrap around the back of your head. And then they also come with the USB Type A to USB Type C cable for charging. We like that these are USB-C enabled, so a lot of the batteries and cables that we're getting today are USB-C. And then an additional, you get the warranty card. It's 24 months if you register with them, Aukey user manual, and quick start guide. Basically, you turn it on, pair it with your phone, and off you go. So this is the B60 wireless Bluetooth headphones. This is the Key series from Aukey, and I am 24K. Thanks.